Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. Hi, we are here with another video about amazing Facebook app. With this app you can use Facebook and Messenger in one app, which helps you to save time, data and storage. It uses less MBs in mobile. It has some other features as well. So let's start with the video. Open Play Store in your mobile. Search friendly for Facebook. Install this app. Downloading starts. Let's see the features described by the developer. With the help of this you can use Facebook and Messenger in one app. Facebook video download. Block Facebook ads. Switch to multiple Facebook accounts. So these are some of the features you can use in this app. Downloading is almost complete. It's installing the app. App is installed now. Now open it. Now app is open. Slide it. It's showing some of the features you can use in this app. You can choose layout, enable notification, enable messages, quit hours, notification frequency, ad blocker for Facebook, highlights post by keywords, your login with Facebook account. Now your Facebook is open. Click over here. It will show some of the options. Jump to top, switch account, setting, feed filters. Here you can see Messenger. Here you can see the notifications. Click on the setting. Here are some of the options. Select ad blocker, quit hours, passcode lock, enable video, enable HD video. So these are some of the awesome features that help you to save time, data and storage. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel.